In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in monday.com for seamless collaborative board sharing with guests. Whether you're bringing in new team members or collaborating with partners outside your organization, sharing your board effectively can enhance productivity and streamline your workflow. So, let's get started. First, head over to monday.com. It's the central hub for organizing your tasks and projects, and it's where all the magic happens. When you log in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard. This is where you manage all your boards and tasks. From here, navigate to the specific board you want to share. Each board is a container of tasks, projects, or processes that need collaborative work. Once you're on the board you wish to share, look over to the top right corner. You'll find an invite button there. This small but mighty button is your gateway to adding more people to your board. Clicking on it will open a window that provides various options for inviting new collaborators. To proceed, you'll need to input the email addresses of the people you want to invite. Make sure these are the correct emails to avoid any miscommunication. Alternatively, if you'd rather not type each email manually, you can choose the option Invite New Member by Email. This can be particularly handy when you're adding multiple people at once or if you have their emails saved elsewhere. Upon entering the emails, double check to ensure that there are no typos, as this could prevent your intended collaborators from receiving their invitation. Remember, accuracy here is crucial. Once you're satisfied with your list, hit the send button to invite them. Your invitees will receive an email prompting them to join, and once they accept, their names will appear under the board subscribers list. It's also important to note that while inviting guests provides them access to the board, it is critical to decide what level of access or permissions you want to grant them. Different levels can allow your guests to view, edit, or even manage the content on the board. Choose wisely based on your collaborative needs and trust levels with these guests. Sharing a board in monday.com is a simple yet powerful way to enhance teamwork and ensure everyone is on the same page, literally and figuratively. With just a few clicks, you can open up your board to new ideas and inputs, helping your projects move forward smoothly and efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to share a board with guests on monday.com. By fostering collaboration, you make it possible for everyone involved in a project to contribute effectively. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a pro at managing access and ensuring your team stays connected. Thanks for watching, and happy collaborating.